Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SH plus hop plus lift plus tier. Hop, lift, tier. Shoplifter. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. We have two wonderful players with us today. The lady on my left won the game at the end of yesterday's program. Her name is Deborah Cowler, and she picked up $6,995 in prizes. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Now, in case you weren't watching yesterday, Deborah brought along a good luck bill. It's a 1 peso put out by the Japanese government. It's just fiction, of course, but it worked for her. It won the game. And today, not to be outdone, her opponent, Wayne Schoenfeld, came through with his own good luck charm. Now, this is a little different from a 1 peso note. What on earth is this, Wayne?
I have no idea, but my brother gave it to me for good luck, so hopefully it'll work. And
this looks like somebody I used to date when I was in my drinking period. Ooh, remember that, Gene? Remember those days?
Oh, yes, I do, Alex. Actually, that's a Morton Downey Jr. doll.
You said it. Let's go to work. Let's show our contestants one of the beautiful works of art they're playing for in this first game.
A Martin Lawrence Gallery's limited edition Serigraph tennis landscape by Mark King, numbered and hand-signed by the artist and furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. Alex.
And we'll show Deborah and Wayne where they can find that on our game board. The artwork is at number 14. We also have a Caribbean cruise. And Wayne,
yes,
you get to pick first.
I would love that Caribbean cruise. How about number 7, please, for the cruise?
Number 7 is an espresso and cappuccino machine.
Okay, that'll work. How about number 4 for the match, please?
No, there's the cruise, the Caribbean. Deborah, your selection, please.
Let there be a wild card or a Caribbean cruise behind number 11.
Red tape.
Let's find a match or a wild card behind number 18.
There's a wild card, so it makes it a match. And so the red tape is yours.
In case Wayne gets that trip, I'll be ready.
You bet. Let's take a look at these 3 pieces of the puzzle and see what they reveal. Select again.
Number 2, please.
Deluxe lawnmower.
Match behind number 9.
Espresso and cappuccino machine. Didn't we see that a little while ago,
Did.
Wayne?
I think it's under number 7.
Number 7, lucky 7, yes.
Lucky 7, and number 9 for the match, please.
You have it. A prize for your column.
All right.
And a chance to study the puzzle with 2 more panels swinging open. Swinging open. Tough to say. Pick again, Wayne.
How about number 1, please?
Number 1 is a sofa and love seat.
That sounds like fun to me. How about number 22 for the match, please?
There? No, we have an electronic typewriter, and so we come right back to Deborah.
Can I see what's behind number 20, please?
Dining room set.
Is there a match or a wild card behind number 10?
Artwork is there. No match.
Okay.
Wayne.
How about looking at number 14, please?
Artwork.
Number 10 for the match.
And number 10 makes it a match. Prize is up there. And now, 2 more panels swinging open. Here you go.
Is it making progress?
Is it making progress? No, it's
Maybe
not
I am.
making progress.
How about number 25, please?
Camping package.
That sounds like fun. How about number 6 for the match, please?
Microwave oven.
Let
No
me
match.
try the upper right-hand corner, number 1.
Sofa and love seat.
Was that behind number 15?
Yes.
All right.
Now, Deborah, you've got this red tape, and he has that espresso and cappuccino machine. He's got the artwork you saw.
That trip is still there. We'll wait.
You
We'll
still
wait.
are interested in the Caribbean cruise.
Oh, definitely.
All righty.
Definitely.
Let's see now what happens as we open these 2. Select again.
Can I see what's behind number 17?
Deluxe lawnmower.
Was that match behind number 2?
Yes. Deluxe lawnmower is there. Still going to pass on the takes, aren't you? Or are you? Changing your mind?
I will take the espresso cappuccino machine.
All right, she wants the espresso cappuccino machine, and we're going to open these 2 panels for her.
Is it gentlemen prefer blondes?
Maybe she knew something that nobody else did, and that's why she used the take. Gentlemen prefer blondes. Yes, they do. Way to go, Deborah. Come on. Jog on over to our board and explain this puzzle.
Hey, I saw the till on the cash register early, but this is the gin and the till. These are men, pre, and the fur on the hat for gentlemen prefer. The B plus the arrows pointing at the lawn, and the DS for blondes. Gentlemen prefer blondes.
They may prefer blondes, but they love brunettes,
yes,
too.
They're in today.
Yes. Wayne, we're going to say goodbye to you.
I had a great time. Thank you very much.
2 strikes against you, but you're going away with a lot of prizes. $5,310.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Congratulations, Wayne. So long.
Thank you.
All right, Deborah. Let's hear about your winnings. Gene.
An espresso cappuccino machine and a deluxe lawnmower. Home Light super bagger for a beautiful lawn. Lightweight, rust-free aluminum deck. Large 3-bushel bagging capacity makes lawn care a labor of love. Furnished by Home Light. And a sofa and love seat. Easy Rest offers this reclining sofa love seat combination for your comfort. Easy motion furniture furnished by Easy Rest. Price is worth $2,089.
You see, folks, when you're the host of the show, get me in the shot, will you? Get me in the shot. Thank you very much. I've got to help this new champion here. Her shoelaces were untied, and that's no way to play the bonus round when your shoelaces are untied. That's why I wear loafers only, so I don't have to worry about that. We're going to take a break. When we come back, this lady's going to try to win a brand new car. Stay right where you are. Hey, good little runner. Good little runner. All right. Are you ready for this, Deborah?
I'm ready.
Let's take a look at the cars you might win. We've got this 16-valve Daihatsu Charade on that bottom shelf, followed by the Mitsubishi Mirage. I love that color, too. The Suzuki Swift, the Honda Civic Wagon, the Ford Escort, the Geo Metro, the Eagle Summit, and finally, the Nissan Sentra. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
Good. 15 numbered squares moving into place for you. We've added 5 seconds to base time, so you're operating with 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No again.
7, 3.
No.
9, 10.
No.
3, 10.
Right.
11, 5.
No.
2, 8.
No.
7, 12.
No.
4, 14.
No.
1, 14.
Yeah.
13, 15.
No.
5, 12.
No, you're not going to get close this
2.
time. Just not come up with the 2 of them. Kind of lost your concentration in the early going there. You weren't making any early matches, and that made it tough. You're not starting to lose faith in that bill, are you?
No.
That good luck bill from your grandma?
No.
All right, you've got $9,084 in prizes, and you continue when we come back. Newcomer to welcome to our program. Let's do it right now. His name is Nick Harity.
Hello, Alex.
How are you, Nick? Welcome. Tell me about yourself, briefly.
I'm from Chicago originally.
Oh, yeah?
Recently settled here in California.
What you do?
I'm a model, part-time weight trainer.
Part-time weight trainer. You look as if you're in pretty good shape. Why part-time weight trainer?
Well, because
modeling
takes up almost all my time.
All right. You do mostly fashion work for magazines, things like that?
Fashion and catalog, both.
Oh, is it good business to be in?
It's very good business.
All right. You ready to play our game?
I'm
this
always
is a good
ready.
business also. Take a look over here, and we will show you and Deborah one of the prizes.
Sharp's portable stereo component system with compact disc player, single auto-reverse double cassette deck, detachable speakers, and remote control. Furnished by Sharp. Alex.
And we'll show Deborah and Mick where they can find that prize on our board at number 10. Mick, you know that Deborah's a good player. She's won over $9,000 in just a couple of games. And we have $500 in our cash pot in this one and a holiday in Ixtapa, Mexico. You get to pick first, Mick. Good luck.
Okay. I'd like to start off with number 9, please.
Red take.
And number 11.
Home security system. No match, so we'll go right over to Deborah.
May I see number 16, please?
Certainly. Pool table.
Pool table. I like pool. Number 14 for match or wild card?
Nope. Crystal stemware. Mick.
Okay, let's start off with number 3, please.
Pool table.
Ooh, and number 16, I believe, for
There's
the match.
an early match. Yes, indeed. Challengers coming alive. Open it up. I do believe that we have just the one wild card in this game to help you, Mick, so
Okay.
keep that in mind as you make your next selections.
Okay, let's go with number 5, please.
Crystal stemware.
And if I'm not mistaken, that was number 14.
Yes. 2 in a row for Mick. What do these two panels reveal? Mick.
Okay, let's go with number 8, please.
Stereo CD player.
And for the match, number 10.
Stereo CD player. Beautiful. All right, excellent. 3 in a row. Naturally matched also. Mick, take a look. Select.
Okay, let's go with number 6, please.
Wild card.
All right. Excellent,
Now there's
excellent.
the holiday in Ixtapa, Mexico.
17, please.
Is it there? No, but we've got a diamond and ruby pendant. Somebody special in your life. The other diamond ruby pendant on the top line at number 4. That gives you a shot at 4 prizes, Mick. Take a look at the puzzle.
Number 24, please.
Ixtapa.
Oh, I'd love to make the
Little-
match on that.
Yeah, a little tougher now because of the wild card being used up. but
Definitely.
Make a natural.
Let's go with number 1, please.
Cash pot. So no match for you. Deborah.
Great. Finally, I can play now. Number 7.
Gold pencil and pen set.
Is there a match behind number 19?
No, that's the red take. Mick, back to you.
Okay, number 22, please. Handcrafted.
Handcrafted area rug.
And for the match, please, number 15.
Ixtapa. Deborah is going to smile on this one, I think.
Okay. Can I see what's behind number 24
That's Ixtapa.
and number 15?
You have made the match. Good match. Great vacation possibility for you here, Deborah.
It is.
Take a look.
Let's see what we can do.
Deborah, where are you from?
I'm from outside of Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay. Mick is from Chicago. All right.
Yeah.
Both of you from cold country
From
here.
Eastern
southern.
time zone, too.
Eastern-
Making that adjustment.
Eastern time zone for you. Yes, indeed. Select again.
Can I see what's behind number 21?
Home security system.
Number 23?
16-piece cutlery set. Mick, over to you.
Okay, I think if I'm not mistaken, that was behind number 9, please. No,
Red
that was
take.
Red take. And let's see, for the match, let's go with number 18.
16-piece cutlery set. We're all around it, but we're not coming up with enough matches. Deborah,
Can I see 23, please?
16-piece
And
cutlery
18
set.
for the match.
There's the match. That's one for your side to go with a holiday in Mexico. Open these 2 panels for Deborah Cowler. Select again.
Number 12, please.
Cash pot.
Was that at number 1?
Yep. There you go. Always needed cash. Take a look now, Deborah. Select again.
Can I see number 25, please?
Green take.
Okay, haven't seen. Have we seen number 13 in the center?
Gold pencil and pen set. Mick?
I'm trying to remember where that was now. Can we see what was behind number 7, please?
Gold pencil and pen set.
And for the match number 19, please. No, what am I thinking? I blew that one.
Ooh,
I blew
yeah,
that one.
You came through with the hard
Yeah.
thing, but not the easy one. Deborah?
Okay, can I see number 13
That was the easy one.
and number 7?
Number 7 was the
Okay.
tough one, and Nick missed it and gave Deborah a chance. Perhaps a chance to win the game. Keep going.
Can I see number 22, please?
Well, that's the handcrafted area rug.
And number 2 for a match?
No. Green take. Mick?
Ooh, I'm trying to remember where that was now. Let's go with number 9, please.
Red take.
Red take. And let's go with number 25 for the match, please.
Green take.
Nope.
Gosh. Deborah?
Okay. Can I see what's behind number 19?
Well, that's the red take.
And is there a match at number 9?
Yes, that's the other red take. You want to use it now and grab something?
I'll take the stereo CD player.
Stereo CD player, please.
CD player.
For Deborah, open these 2 panels right away. She may be able to find the other match on the green take in a moment, unless she solves the puzzle. Go again.
Number 11, please.
That won't do it. That's the home security system, though.
Number 21.
That'll do it. Yeah. There's the match. Now, Deborah, I have a feeling that you might be able to clear the board and pick up some more prizes before solving the puzzle. Big, important decision for you. We'll open these 2 doors. Can you solve it? Can you solve it? Whoa, you won't get a chance. Hands on your signaling buttons. Ring in when the green light comes on, and the green light goes on as soon as we open or reveal the first of our panels, which is number 2. Deborah!
Is it shake hands and come out fighting?
Shake hands and come out fighting. Well, it sounds like it is to me. Did you know it a moment ago? Oh, you did. You were going to
Yes,
go
I was going to clear the board. Yeah.
All righty. That's the move.
Okay, we have the SH and the hay. Whew. Oh, gosh.
Shake.
And the cans for shake hands. And you have a hand for and. And I'm kind of not sure what
Gum.
this is.
Gum.
Okay, gum. He's saying you're out.
Gum out.
F plus the I of the needle, the T and the ink. Shake hands and come out fighting.
Shake hands and come out fighting. Mick, 1 strike against you. That means you'll get to play again, but not today. We'll take you backstage now. We'll see you in a bit.
You betcha.
All righty, Deborah. Let's hear about all your prizes. You won a bundle again, including a great vacation in Mexico. Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, a 16-piece cutlery set, a gold pen and pencil set, and a home security system. Dynamark Security Centers features its portable wireless Tribune total security system that protects your family 24 hours per day from fire intrusion and medical alert. Furnished by Dynamark Security Centers and Iztapa, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Zihuatanejo, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Iztapa, where every room overlooks the ocean. Try sunbathing on the beach or swimming under the waterfall. Superb Mexican hospitality furnished by Crystal Iztapa. And, of course, the handsome stereo CD player. And these prizes total $5,714.
Could win a new car, too, when we come back. Deborah's experienced. She knows the drill, so let's get to it. 15 numbered squares, 3/4 of a minute on the clock, 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 3,
Right.
11, 5,
No.
12, 5,
No.
11, 12,
12. Right.
13, 1,
Yes.
15, 5,
Right.
2, 8,
No.
14, 6,
No.
2, 6,
Right.
4, 9,
No.
7, 4,
Yes.
8, 14.
If it's any consolation to you, I don't think you made your second selection in time, even if you had made the match. So you're going to play again with $14,798 in prizes going into the next game. We'll go into a break right now after we hear from Dean.
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals and 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Deborah and Mick playing again tomorrow. See you then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.